Hey everyone, welcome to this brand new series, Python built-in libraries. If you are learning Python and want to become faster, more efficient, and more confident in your coding skills, this series is for you. In this series, we are going to explore the powerful libraries that come pre-installed with Python. This means that they do not need to download, to set up, they are just for Python. We will break everything down step by step, so even if you are a complete beginner, you can follow along. We will cover importing libraries like math for calculation, random for generating random values, datetime for working with dates and time, OS for interacting with your system, sys for controlling Python behavior, JSON for working with APIs and data, CSV for handling spreadsheets data. Each video will focus on one library, simple explanations, real examples, and small practice projects. So you are not just learning, you're actually building skills you can use. Many beginners jump into external libraries too quickly. But the truth is, Python's built-in libraries are already extremely powerful. If you master them, you will write better code, solve problems faster, and understand Python at a deeper level. This series is perfect for beginners starting Python, students, anyone who wants to strengthen their fundamentals. If you are ready to level up your Python skills, like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson. Let's start this journey together. See you in the first video.